Hi, my name is Karen, one of the owners of Aguilar Aesthetics.
My name's Gustavo Aguilar. I'm one of the owners of Aguilar Aesthetics as well.
So today what I've gotten out of this whole meeting really comes down to time management and knowing that as an owner I have a lot of options in order to succeed. So grabbing all the different things that were presented today help us move forward and grow. And that's the most important part, at least for me.
I think for ourselves, because we are partners, we have learned to not reinvent the wheel, follow proven steps. We've been able to grow just following the steps given by Dory and inspiration and their staff. The guidance that we've got has allowed us to reach a different level of growth in our business that is proven. And that is so important, to not reinvent the wheel, to just trust the process and allowing ourselves to grow to our full potential. So for us, there's been so many steps, but the whole process in itself has been crucial in us getting to where we are right now, from where we were before we started with Dory and inspiration. Right?